taking it out on this beautiful December 30th. It is like 55 out. Just running around. Figured I would stop here and see if anyone's gotten the grips, because it's been a while and still no one has said that they have. Leave it down below if you guys think that they're still there. Oh man, no one has come to get them. They're still here. So they've held up through snow. But yeah, I will write it again right here for you guys to come and get yourself a set of grips. I'm actually pretty shocked that they're still here. Super muddy. Yeah, the back roads have not been that good for riding, considering there's so much salt and just they're still wet. Like, you can still see some slush and ice right there. Everything is finally thawing out. We are going to jump back on the bike and make it to a spot that I've taken a picture of my old Volkswagen. Actually, not... But yeah, once we get there, I'll try to find some old pictures of my car there, and obviously you guys will see the bike there. Let's jump back on and get going. Alright, so we have made it. I should not be here, but I'm going to take a couple quick pictures and I guess make my way. Is it okay if I give them stickers?
Oh, sure. This motorcycle man has a sticker for you.
If he changes his mind.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you. You want me to get a picture of you on the bike?
If you don't mind.
Yeah, I'm happy to.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, man, sure.
So it was super nice. Got to meet someone who was a kind neighborhoodian. Not a word, but it felt right. Especially being places that you're not necessarily supposed to be. It's always a good idea to be kind. Unfortunately, did not plan my week properly with extended family coming into town, so I never got to do kind of a reflection on 2022, which I am so thankful to have you guys a part of. I finally hit the goal for this year just in the nick of time of 500 subscribers on the 28th. Super happy and looking forwards to building this channel and community even bigger. So I've talked to some people through the comments, and I want to let you guys know that just because right now I'm stationary in Maryland doesn't mean that you should kind of give up on meetup rides. The summer meetup rides I want to do, I want to try to have like destination rides, so like meet up somewhere and then just map out a route there and do it. Try to incorporate a nice new coffee shop into it, maybe meet there. We'll see what the future holds, and I will let you guys know as soon as possible when those rides are, so you can aim to join along and build this community huge. So motor braking bro. But I do really appreciate everyone that has supported me and this channel in 2022. It has mean so much to me. I was thinking about it earlier. This is actually the second longest career path that I've stayed and stuck with. When I was younger, I would always work someplace for just over a year and then quit and do something else, just more or less kind of getting bored and not actually wanting to stay, I don't know, like stuck in something that isn't truly what my passion is. And I've been thinking about it and for, I mean, just entirely, but especially in 2023, going to settle in and finally fully feel comfortable in this channel. And yeah, this is going for the long ride. This is going to be my career path of choice for, I have a bug in here. Okay, bug is out. For building the best life for my family and I. It is something that I truly like to do. I love being on two wheels of any sort. Theoretically, we'll be posting not only, of course, motorcycle content, but add BMX and potentially some more fixed gear in here. Beginning of this channel was a lot of fixed gear, but you know, having a motor, you can kind of spread out a little bit and visit more places, as well as the school bus is helping us with that, to spread it everywhere and still feel at home because we have our home with us. Do a wheelie. I lost my train of thought. I'm so happy because this is the content and what I truly like doing, and honestly I would be doing this regardless if I was even doing YouTube. It makes me really happy to kind of finally feel my niche and, I don't know, dive into it. Thank you guys for joining me for this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Subscribe, and let's see where we go next.